To add images or videos for your kid to enjoy in the Kids app on Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, open Kids app. If you have add multiple profiles, select the required profile you like to add the media to. Tap more icon or three vertical dot icon at the top right. And then tap parental controls. Enter your current screen lock or you can use your biometric. Scroll down the screen. Under Allow Content section, tap Media. Next, tap the plus icon at the top right. Select the desired images or videos you like to add to the Kids app. As the example, we will add a video. Tap Add icon at the bottom of the screen. As you can see, the selected video has been added to the Kids app. Next, tap the back key twice. Now your kid can enjoy the media you add through My Gallery app while they are using your phone in the Kids mode. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.